Hello children, welcome to the another session of chapter 2, that is a nutrition in animal of class 7. As you have remember, we have already discussed about the nutrition and different way of taking food with the different animals. I hope everybody has completed this table. So now we are moving to the another part of this chapter. So now we are moving to the another part, that is nutrition in animal. So the food is broken down in animal's body into simpler substance. This food can be taken and used by the body to obtain energy. So the process of nutrition in animals involve 5 stages. What are these stages? The first one, ingestion, then second one, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. So these all are the 5 steps under which the animals can digest their food. So first one is the ingestion. Ingestion means the intake of food into the body through the mouth. Then second one is a digestion, the breakdown of food into simpler substances. Then absorption, the uptake of the soluble substance produced during digestion by the cell in the body. And the next one is assimilation, the use of simple substance to build complex substances. And last one is ejection, elimination of undigested food from the body. So these all are the 5 steps under which animal can take the nutrition from the food. So we will discuss one by one. So different organisms have different ways of ingestion in food. In some organisms, food is ingested with the help of outer growth on their bodies. Example, just like tentacles in Hydra and cilia in Paramecium. As we have already discussed about the different animals have a different ways of ingestion food. Some are unicellular and some are multicellular. Remember what are unicellular? Single cell animal are called unicellular, and human and animals are multicellular because they have a different organ systems. So let us first learn about the nutrition in one of the simple living organism, that is amoeba. And amoeba is a single cell, means unicellular organism. So let's see. So here I have drawn a diagram of amoeba. Amoeba is microscopic animal which we can see with the help of a microscope. One more thing, it is not having a particular shape. It will be of different shape. Means just like human being, we know okay, where is a nose, where is a eyes, every body part we know. But in amoeba it is not fixed. They will take different shape accordingly. So first of all I will tell you, just this is a finger like structure which is called a pseudopodium, and inside that there is a food vacuole where it will take the food. So let us see how it will take the food inside them. Amoeba is an organism made up of single cell. It is usually found in ponds and ditches. Its food consists of the microscopic organism found in these water bodies. Okay, when amoeba senses food, it forms projection like pseudopodia which can sense the food, and when it will sense the food, it completely enclose that food under the pseudopodia, resulting the formation of space or cavity called food vacuole. Inside that food vacuole, some digestive juices are released through which it will digest its food, and then after that it will absorb and assimilate, and the undigested part is thrown out from its body. That is how amoeba take its nutrients. Once again I will explain you. When amoeba senses food, it will form finger like structure that is called pseudopodia, which completely enclose the food. If you see, it will take food inside them with the help of a pseudopodia, and then the formation of a space or cavity is called food vacuole. Some digestive juices are secreted inside this food vacuoles, and then the food is digested there. After that, absorption and assimilation and undigested food are removed from their body. So today we have discussed the nutrition in animal will be of 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. Then we have discussed about the nutrition in amoeba. Thank you.